your English communication is not improving, then this video is for you. You must watch this video till end. In this video, I'm going to tell you why your English communication is not improving. What are the problems behind it? What are the psychological problems and what are the technical problems? After this video, definitely you will find the right path and you will change the way you're approaching English. So let me begin now. Well, friends, why your English is not improving? There are many reasons, but most of us, we don't realize that there are psychological reasons more than technical reasons. In fact, I always say that 80% is psychology and 20% is English habits. 80% are psychological reasons why your English communication is not improving. By the way, before going to this point in detail, I want to tell you something about what I'm doing. Well, I was not into online training, but recently, since last 4 months, I have started online training. I'm into English communication, soft skill, emotional personality development since last 18 years. I'm a PhD in mechanical engineering, but my passion is to help students to improve their confidence, communication, be mentally tough, and grow in life. This I was doing since 17, 18 years, but now since 4 months, I have started my online training. In this training, I help students to be a better communicator, to be a very confident speaker. He can go in public, he can give presentations confidently, and most important is he can be emotionally and mentally very tough. And yes, it's possible. If you want that, if you want to be a tougher person, if you want to be a confident speaker, and if you want to do it easily in a very natural and very organic way, then at the description, I have given all the details about my course. The name of my course is English Communication and Confidence Therapy. Just email me, my team members will guide you for the further process. So let's begin to this important point, why some English learners do not improve. They are trying, but there is no change. Let us take the first point. It's a psychological point. Focus on results and not on the process. These people are focusing on results. They are focusing on fluency and confidence, but they are not focusing on the process. What I mean to say is, every day, it's like I can give an example. When some people go to gym, they are every day checking their weight, if they are there to weight gain or weight loss. Or some youngsters go to gym and every 1 or 2 days, they check their muscles. They are focusing on results. They are not focusing on the habits, on the exercise. The same thing these people are doing here. They are focusing on fluency. They are constantly freaking out. They're constantly worried about their fluency. They constantly ask their friends that, am I improving? My English is better or not? What is my problem? Friends, you can't control the results. What you can control is the process. So focus on what you can control and not what you can't control. Yeah, I'm saying you can't control fluency. You have to focus on English habits. Now, English habits, if you don't know what are the English habits, I have given a link here about English habits. English habits will help you to develop your communication and your confidence. Okay, so this is the most important point. Focus on what you can control. Focus on the process and not on the results. Next point, wrong methods. If your English communication is not improving, then you are using grammar rules. You're trying to by heart grammar rules and trying to speak. It's not going to work. I know what I'm saying. Some of you may feel surprised, but grammar is important in school. I'm not saying grammar is not important. Grammar is important for school, but if you are out of school, if you are an adult, if you want to communicate confidently, grammar is not going to help you. What's going to help you is English habits. English habits will develop your grammar. Again, I think I told you, I have given you the link. Watch that video. If you develop your English habits, your grammar will develop automatically and naturally. And that is what non-native but fluent speakers do. Non-native fluent speakers do. They don't study grammar. Grammar is important for exams. Grammar is not important for communication. Sorry, grammar teachers, I don't want to offend you, but this is the reality. Okay? Yeah. Well, let's move forward. Now, third point is lack of consistency. Oh my God, this is very important. These people have a lot of enthusiasm at the beginning, but their enthusiasm goes down. Their enthusiasm wanes, and after a few days, maybe couple of months, it perishes, completely disappears. Well, to get anything in life, consistency is the key, friends. Consistency is the key, but consistency is boring because You have to do the same thing again and again and again and again. For example, if you want fitness, you cannot just work out once a month and expect fitness. You have to be consistently doing that. If you are fit, definitely you are working on yourself since many years, not many months, many years. People are not, they don't improve their communication because they are not consistent. They are sometimes working on their English. It's not going to work. You have to consistently work on your English methods. That is the English habits which I tell my students. Okay, now next point, very important point, lack of self-discipline. These people want English. They want to speak confidently. They want to speak fluently, but they do not have the self-discipline. Self-discipline is the price you have to pay to achieve some skills, some achievements in your life. Self-discipline is everything. Self-discipline is self-control. Self-discipline is self-mastery. Friends, if you have self-discipline, you will be the happiest person in the world. Believe me, self-discipline is the freedom. Self-discipline gives you respect. Self-discipline gives you that feeling of self-respect. People who have self-discipline have more self-respect, and also they have more respect from the society also. Those who are top achievers from cricket, from sports, from any field, they are self-disciplined. You have to pay the price. What is the price? English habits. You have to regularly work on your English habits. It can be reading, it can be listening, it can be audiovisual techniques which I suggest. This is very important, and some people do not have self-discipline. They are not ready to pay the price. They don't improve their English. Next point, very important, expecting a magic to happen. I have said in many of my videos that there are many YouTubers out there who are in the process, or their target is to achieve more subscribers or more hits, and they are giving some very fancy and attractive thumbnails. Speak in 30 days, 30-day challenge, 21-day challenge, and what not. I don't know. It's like get quick rich scheme. Same thing like this. And you believe in this, and after 30 days you say that there is no change, and then you realize that it's not going to work. These people don't improve and they give up. Come on guys, come on. How many years it took you to develop your mother tongue? You tell me. 2 months? 1 month? Change your mindset. Change your mindset. It takes many months and years to develop a language. So do not believe in all such fake, fraudulent videos. It takes many months and years to develop your language. And for that, you have to be consistent. To be consistent, you should have self-discipline. And after all these things, you should use the right methods. All right? And then focus on the process and not on the results. Hope, friends, this video is helpful to you. Please just think about this and work on this. All right? If you like my video, please give me a like. It will motivate me. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe my channel. I'm going to make some really interesting videos where a lot of psychological tips are there to improve your communication and your confidence, your interview skills, lot of things I'm going to cover. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.